The title of the story is The Wise Beggar. One day, a rich man went to pick up his wife from her office and was waiting outside the office building. He got down his car and started wiping the windshield and the glass windows of the car. So he thought, let me do some cleaning work. Anyhow, he was waiting at the car for his wife to come out of the office building. So he thought, let me do something, and he was cleaning the car. As time passed, his eyes fell on a beggar standing at the nearby bus stop. From his appearance, which includes dirty clothes, uncombed hair, anybody for that matter can guess that he is a beggar. Looking at his appearance, as soon as he realized that he is a beggar, he actually thought of helping him, but then he wanted to help the poor beggar only when the beggar comes to him and seeks some help. In other words, he wanted the beggar to ask him for help. So he was thinking, why should I volunteer myself? Let the beggar ask me for some help, then I will help him. This was going on in his mind. But the beggar seemed to be lost in his world. He was looking somewhere, which means he has even ignored the physical presence of the rich man in front of him. So as the rich man saw his wife coming out of the office building. Now that it is time for both of them to leave in their car from that place, so the rich man quickly went to the bus stop, stood in front of the beggar. Even then, the beggar did not make any movement, did not say anything, did not ask for any help. So the rich man asked the beggar, "Do you need any help?" The beggar answered in three simple but profound means very deep. The beggar answered in three simple but profound, very deep words which nobody can deny. Usually, we all look for wisdom from great people, isn't it? We all look for wisdom from great people, achievers. Those three words actually shook the rich man, and he immediately took out handsome amount of money and gave it to the beggar. That is sufficient for his food, that is sufficient for his travel. If he wants to go to his place or somewhere where he wants to go, he can catch a bus, pay the fare and travel to that place and spend some money on himself. In other words, he gave him handsome amount of money, sufficient amount of money for the beggar, and inside his heart he thanked Almighty God and left that place with his wife in the car. You must be thinking, what are those three words? Those three words are, when the rich man asked, "Do you need any help?" the beggar in return said, "Don't we all?" The beggar said, "Don't we all?" How correct was the beggar, isn't it? We all need help. If I am a rich person, though I am rich, I have sufficient money with me, sufficient wealth with me. I need the help of a doctor if I get sick. If I become sick, don't I need a doctor? Don't I need the help of a doctor? Similarly, if I am a doctor, still I need the help of a farmer to cultivate the crops and provide food. So on and so forth. So, my friends, we all need help. There is only one who is absolutely independent, and he is the Almighty God. Other than him, we all need help, as we all are interdependent on each other. So let us be humble and help each other. Remember, the most important thing is helping in time, helping in need. One more thing, there are signs spread over all over the universe for men of understanding. So don't expect some wisdom only from achievers or the so called wise people or great people or authors only. There are signs for men of understanding spread all over the universe. So have the attitude of learning from everything and every situation. Thanks for learning. Thanks for listening. All the best.